Alright everyone, good afternoon. Today is Sunday, April 6th, 2025 at 13:26. And we now have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So tomorrow's outlook, we mainly have a slight risk in parts of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina. Tomorrow's marginal, we have across parts of Florida, a teeny bit of Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So that's right. So cities that are expected to see severe weather tomorrow include Tallahassee, Savannah, Valdosta, I think is how you say it, Sumter, and Hilton Head Island under a slight, and Jacksonville, Gainesville, Fayetteville, Columbia, and Charleston under a marginal. So yeah, those cities are expected to see severe weather tomorrow. So let's see what we've got for tomorrow's risks. We've got a 5% tornado risk for parts of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina, as well as 2% for parts of Florida, a little bit of Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So yes, those areas do have the potential for isolated tornadoes tomorrow. So again, those cities include Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Savannah, Gainesville, and Valdosta under the 5%, and Fayetteville, Columbia, Charleston, Wilmington, and North Charleston under a 2%. So 5%, you could see a brief EF1 tornado possible, and 2% you could just see a brief EF0, maybe EF1 tornado possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Tomorrow's wind risk, we've got 15% for parts of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina. And we got a 5% for parts of Florida, a teeny bit of Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina under a 5% wind risk. So, again, Tallahassee, Savannah, Valdosta, Sumter, and Hilton Head Island under the 15%, and Jacksonville, Gainesville, Fayetteville, Columbia, and Clearwater are under the 5%. So for the 15%, you could see damaging wind gusts of 60 to 75 miles per hour possible. And for the 5%, you could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of that as a possibility for tomorrow. And tomorrow's hail risk, it just encompasses parts of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina. So we could see cities that are expected to see some hail tomorrow could be Savannah, Columbia, Valdosta, Sumter, and Somerville under the 5%. So you could see 1 to 2 inches of hail possible. So please be mindful that is a possibility. Very, very flexible severe weather threat. We have scattered storms. Some severe are possible Monday afternoon across parts of northern Florida and southern Atlantic seaboard. So there you go. But anyway, I really do hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And our day 1 outlook. So I do really hope that you do stay weather aware and stay safe for tomorrow. I would take today to prepare for anything that could happen tomorrow. Anyway, I will see you in the next video.